Hello and welcome to the Mercedes W124 channel. On today's video, we will clean the injectors and do at the same time way more. For the ones that follow my channel, you know that I'm not the kind of person to advertise for a product or for a specific item, on the contrary. But this time I will do it because that product got a lot of good comments throughout the world. So it looks like it's well worth it. Okay, so that product is called Diesel Purge by Liqui Moly. So here it's written in German, but if you look for Diesel Purge, you will find it. Okay, so it's sold in different containers. I took the smallest one just to see how it goes. I took it to clean the injectors. Okay, so that will clean the entire fuel system. Okay, and the engine at the same time. So let me tell you what it does. I read on my phone. It removes deposit on injection nozzle, so it cleans injectors, and in a combustion chamber as well. Boost the cetane number, eliminate engine running problems such as knocking when idling, and ensure smooth and quiet engine running. So for some of you that got a problem. Protects the entire fuel system against corrosion. Great. Optimize the emission test value. Great. If you need to pass your test and the fumes are not good enough. Clean engine. Use less fuel and reduce emission. Well, seems good, isn't it? So as I said, before to buy it, obviously I've searched and basically comments seems to be very positive about this. So let's try it now. We now have two ways to use this stuff. Obviously this is a diesel flush, so obviously that's not applicable to petrol cars, obviously. Yeah. So now you can either put it directly into your tank and drive your car like that. Okay. Now, if you want a bit more, if you want to have a bit of a more aggressive clean on your engine, you will have to place it here. So, if you look at your fuel filter, you've got the return that goes back onto your fuel tank. So, if I follow it, it's this one. And you need as well the fuel line that goes from the tank to the engine. So I see at the bottom it's this one. Okay, so I will have to disconnect these two and use some kind of container where I'll place the two lines inside, and then I will pour the liquid inside. Okay, then run the engine like that. Now be very careful because this is a very corrosive product. Okay, so you can't use that as well in a garage that's closed off. Okay, best to do it outside, and use gloves. Don't do like me. So I will find somewhere and put them on. Okay, so I want something a bit more aggressive, so I will unscrew those and place them into some kind of jar that I will find around, and we'll start. I've told you that I want to clean the engine because I think I've got a problem with the injectors. Why do I say that? Because when I drive the car, I see some black smoke coming out, and usually it's a problem it's a gas oil problem, so injectors problem. Okay, so I will accelerate now. I hope that you will see the smoke, and then after the treatment, then we'll see if there's a difference. Okay. I found a jar where I buy my honey, and it's plastic, so it's perfect. That should do the trick. So I will use that and I will show you how I'll place it inside. I've now placed my jar here. I've used some cable ties and hooked it here. Okay, so like that, it doesn't move. Doesn't matter what happened now. Okay, so now, out of all those pipes, which one we're gonna use? This one, no, because you can see it's coming from the steering pump. This one, yes, that's the return. This one is linked to the fuel filter, and the other one at the bottom that's here, okay, you see we've got the pre-filter, okay, so that's the ones we're gonna remove. You see they are linked close to each other, so we're gonna disconnect one and the other and place them inside. Try to keep the fuel in the line, okay, because we don't want air to go inside. Then we'll pour the liquid in. Now look, we've got the two tubes that go inside. Now this one comes from the bottom, needs to go in, so it comes a bit shorter, okay, and the last thing we want with that one is some air coming into the system. So look what I'm gonna do. I've cut a piece of tube that I will place inside like so. That's it, and I'll put it inside, so like that. This will be at the bottom. Everything is ready. Now time to pour the liquid inside. The engine is now running on this, okay, we'll leave it to run. From time to time we'll accelerate. And see how it goes, okay, but idle and accelerate a little bit. Later we'll see the difference. We are about 10 minutes into it. The sound of the engine has changed, so it's a good thing. And I can see that the color is changing here too. It's much darker. I've now stopped it because I've got very little fuel left inside, and obviously I don't want the engine to run with air inside, because later I will have problems. So anyway, I will leave it like that for a while for it to cool off, because the gas oil that's coming out, it's hot. You will see with the fumes. So once a bit cooler, I will disconnect it and reconnect my pipes here. I've now mounted everything back together. I've also rinsed a bit the engine. I passed a cloth because in case there's been some drop or something, I prefer to be clean than to eat the paint. Okay, and this is the results. So I'm not sure if you can see it. To be honest, I thought it would come a bit dirtier than that. Let's face it, it's quite dirty, but being an engine of over 900,000 kilometers, I'm going to be reaching a million kilometers. I thought that would have come dirtier than that, to be honest. But anyway, it may be as well because I do the service on the car twice a year, regardless of the kilometers I make, and I never reach the level of the service. So I do the service way before. It may be as well because from time to time I remove the air filter and I spray water inside. You may have seen that video. To clean from time to time. It could be as well that because during the service, when I service the car, I was place gas oil inside. You may have seen that video too. So it may be why it's not coming as dirty as I thought it would be. Okay, but now did I notice a difference? Yes, the engine runs smoother, and it looks like there's not so much smoke as well. So anyway, we'll have a look now. I'll start the engine and see what kind of smoke we have. Hopefully it won't be black. I'm not sure if you've been able to see the difference, the smoke difference between before and after, because sometimes filming we can't really appreciate what it is, some details. But personally, I can see a difference. So for me, if this has been positive, yes, it has been positive. However, I think in my case, I didn't do it. I didn't need to do it that way. I think personally, simply in the gas oil deposit would have been just fine. Okay. Now, if you have a diesel Mercedes that has been badly maintained, the service hasn't been done on time, etc., I think yes, doing it like that will be a must. In that case, you will see a bigger difference than what I've seen, for instance, in what was left. Okay. So anyway, when you'll try it, please place it in the comments. So like that, other people will be able to see it and judge the product by themselves as well. Okay. So anyway, I hope that you have liked the video. Give me a like, please, and subscribe to the channel if you are not. And we'll see each other in the next one soon. Ciao.